Bow, here we are. Lehigh barely called me. What, Big Flow? This is my first time out here. You know, gotta make an intro because I ain't make no type of video in like a little minute, like proper intro, outro. So I'm throw this in here. We definitely got another one. Lehigh barely called me. See how this should go. See how to fix this real quick. Make it brighter. Okay, boom. Gotta show up Ruby, you know, real quick. Got the G's out here. Some nice Civics. Had to park behind them. Got this Nissan's here too. These wheels is nice. Fire ass wheels. One of his stick. It's 370. Got this shit pop. Is that a Pro Charger? Still in? It's a bad boy right there. Kind of all over the place right now. See this Miata. Sheesh. It's 300.
Oh shit, yeah.
I think it's like a 300 ZX or whatever. Yeah, man. Got that right. Got this RSX. This just done nice. I feel like I've seen this one before in Maryland, but I could be tripping. There's so many Miatas out here. You got the door game over here. That's different. That's interesting rap. That's definitely interesting rap. How to get that. These two is like sisters. These bitches is hard. The little Rexy. Couple Rexes. This shit look like a baby GTO. This 370 here. That's a crazy ass bumper. X Factor, same type of, same make as the lip that's on my Accord. Same color too, black, red with the black top, black accents. Fuck with it. I already fuck with this Civic and this fitment. Like, I like that. We got my baby stock wheels, or BC coils. You feel me? Came an hour and a half late. Shit crazy. We got this, what's in a quarter? This Civic.
Jumped off the trampoline when I was 10.
Fitment. Nice. Before one of them guys. Damn. This bad boy. Tesla's made it up too. It should look hard actually. This 350 look hard. It's been a minute since I seen a nice ass 350 done well. On like a shit box. Sheesh. This is a shout out to Lehigh Valley Car Meets. I think they the ones who were behind this meet. Right here at Vape Flow. This is my first time out here. I've been missing them shits, but you know, we out here, we made it. That's a bad boy. That's Audi on the Michelins. What is this? Oh, look at this bad boy. This a bad boy there. Everybody taking pictures of this one. This a big head. This a bad dude. This shit done up. Fuck with this shit. Fit, man. This Rex. Now this is a Rex done right. It don't look like a shit box. Obviously he's not done like a shit box with that fender, them carbon fenders, and the fact that it's a STI, bro. This is done fucking well, bro. Tone made, all that. Like, no fart can, no straight white bullshit. Kind of a newer gen Miata. I watched this dude on YouTube for years on that No Hezzy shit. I forgot his YouTube channel right now, but it's like New York racing. I saw me doing that thing. We got a tribute here. They from New York, so they got pretty respects. Uh-oh. I was looking at that focus, and that's it. Betty here, old school vet. He got Ruby out in the wild. Oh, they're wildin'. Wait until I get my shit done up. And he got beautiful Ruby over here. Fresh Cakes got me fucking with vets and shit.
So fucking quiet.
You see these foreigns over there. I was trying to see this TL, but that motherfucker dipped out with 2.5. I didn't even see him when I first got here. Yeah, the first thing I look for when I come to call me is Accords, Preludes, and TLs. I feel like everybody dipping out now.
There you go.
See the race. Or just get on video of them getting their shit. Came all the way over here for these shits. You get the initial D itself. It would have been 5. That it was the initial D color. You see them with tires right there. Yeah. It's a bad boy. You already know what this is. I don't think it's a GTR Skyline, but the shit's still hard. The fucking body lines on these shits is fucking amazing, bro. Oh my god. Fucking love this. There's a lot of haters on the 34 too. The motherfuckers be acting like the 32 looks better and all that than the 34. Niggas is out their minds. That's how YouTube shit. Now look at this beauty. This is the type of shit Fresh Kicks be racing. Look at this motherfucker, bro. No fucking brakes. Brakes are bigger than my head, and I got a big ass head. Look at that shit, bro. Just look at that shit. Definitely tight. I pulled up late. But I was waiting for my TL to get out the shop. My son is in a shop for transmission and subframe. And niggas was stalling with their replying. I was trying to pick my shit up before dipping out here. Like, I'm an hour late. All good though. I'm supposed to end at 10, so I stick around, you know. We got some Hondas put on. I'm about to move my Honda over.
All his doors, this tailgate. I pay. I'm gonna be like, hey.
I love Range Rovers. I know it's gas guzzlers, but I love them shits. Got a beautiful Ruby over here. It's a beautiful girl. She look thick in the front too. She looking thick. These Hondas right here pulled up. Looking hard as a bitch. This one with the wheels. This one with the fitment. And the fucking lights, bro. Jeez. Orange is hard. Where'd she go? The fucking spokes on these bitches, bro. Don't clip your ankle. That's dope. Oh, that's dope. I don't know what this is, but I fuck with it. It's like an older Sentra. I don't know. A Yaris. Oh, so welcome to this shit. This city here is hard, though. This city is definitely hard. He got the hood propped. Fuck with it. Love this 350, bro. Keep saying that shit. We got a new addition over here with this vet. Alright, so don't cut my ass. I'll cop my first vape. Only cause the meat is here at a vape shop. So usually where the meats are at, is sponsored by or whatever. I usually cop up from that spot because that's what they trying to do, you know, bringing revenue to like the local businesses and shit. So last time was some pizza, this time was a little vape juice. Vape, little ting ting. Tropical blue right here, for real, so. For a second hit this shit, almost fucking died. Pulled that shit at bad hard. I already got this shit because it smells mad good, yo. These shits usually smell mad good. So, it's by King Vape, whoever that is. Trying to blow O's and shit, look at cars. This shit just started out right behind me. Mad rude and shit. Look at these bad boys even out. I don't know where the fucking aim and shit. Got this bad boy, got this bad boy, got that beamer that just left out. This big baller game. You got the tofu delivery vehicle over here with the 8086 and the Skyline. Woo! Look at that shit again. Look at that shit again. My shit look Woo! Got that one. But that shit nice. You let them convoy move. That's how you roll the fuck out. I don't want to hit this fucking one thing. like the Toy Story pizza truck. It's not yellow.